Seth here at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect major components. Okay guys, now let's walk around the machine and take a look at it. You have a brand new aftermarket bucket here. It's a smooth edge bucket. So that's all in really nice shape. The pins are pretty tight. There is a little bit of play in the loader linkage. And the pins a little bit there, but nothing too major. It's your auxiliary hydraulics, just standard flow. And up here on the arms you can tell that it's been scratched up and nicked up a little bit. Around here it's in pretty nice shape. We just put brand new tires on it, so you can see the tire colors are mismatching on this side, but the tires are new all the way around. Here's the back of the machine. You can see it's missing the rear lights here. The rear is scratched up a good bit. There's a few little dents and whatnot here. There's the little serial number plate. Here's inside the engine. The engine starts and runs good. Everything is in good shape in here. Everything. The muffler's in nice shape. You can see there. It's the other side of the machine. This side obviously matches. The tires match. The paint is also faded and nicked up on this side. Inside the cab, the seat's in pretty nice shape. You can see here the vinyl's in pretty good shape there. The controls are pretty tight. There's a little bit of play in the forward and reverse controls. There's a little bit of play in there. It takes a second for it to respond, but it's in good operating shape. This has a the damper has gone bad, so there's just a bungee cord to hold this up, as you can see there. But the pedals and everything work. Everything's pretty clean inside. There's no hour meter on the machine, so can't help you there. And then there's some lights up top here that probably need to be plugged in. So it's a good running and operating machine. It is older, has some wear and tear, but if you have any questions, feel free to message me or give me As you can see, the engine starts up and it runs and operates well. We've never had any problems with the engine, so there you go.